Ever since the iPhone X first came out, a number of different smartphone makers have been trying to emulate its design in different ways, but now the Chinese company Leagoo has decided the best strategy is just to copy the iPhone X's design almost identically, and then call it after the Galaxy S9. That's right, Leagoo's latest phone is called the Leagoo S9, and they're marketing it as the world's first Android iPhone X, as it's an Android-powered device featuring even the notch on top of the phone similar to Apple's 10th generation flagship. On the inside, you're definitely not getting iPhone X-like hardware. The Leagoo S9 sports a 5.85-inch HD Plus IPS display and the controversial notch. It also has a face access feature, which I think is also trying to emulate Apple, and this is used for quick unlocking, and according to Leagoo, it'll only take 0.1 seconds to unlock your phone. It's almost funny how much the Leagoo S9 is ripping off the iPhone X. In further homage to Apple's phone, the S9's user interface also features on-screen controls for returning home and going backward within apps, and the dual camera bump on the back is exactly the same layout too. One thing that is impressive about the Leagoo S9 is its price. Leagoo's pricing it at only $150, and you're getting reasonable specs for that price. I'm impressed that they managed to package in 4GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, a 13MP rear camera setup, an 8-core processor, and then also a 3300 mAh battery. Those are not bad specs, and you're also getting a rear fingerprint sensor for additional security, and physical lock and volume buttons on the right side of the phone. The Leagoo S9's release date hasn't been unveiled just yet, but if you are wanting to impress your friends with a phone that looks almost exactly like the iPhone X, but for a fraction of the cost, you may want to consider getting this. I do still find it pretty funny though that they had to call this phone after the Galaxy S9 when it's such a blatant knockoff of Apple's phone. Maybe the Leagoo X model name was already taken or something, but either way, give me your opinions on this phone in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of these Android knockoffs of the iPhone X if you'd ever consider getting one. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and with that said, I will see you next time.